Okay, good morning everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some end of the week comments for Friday, August 19th. We got the trade back on the defensive in the overnight session. We've got the wheat prices down around 2 to 3 cents, the corn market down 1, beans down around 10 to 15. The curious one is the meal down around $5 and the soybean oil off around 50 points. And once again, the soybean oil has been on a big run. We still think that since the USDA report that we had earlier last week has put so much of a sideways trading range in the marketplace right now. That roughly being between the neighborhood of around $4 and $4.50 wheat, $3 and $3.50 corn. And are we going to go and try and pump bean prices lower than the $9.50, $10.50 range, which maybe could take bean prices down to $8 if that meal market wants to go and wiggle its way out of its trading range that we're currently at. Other than that, I don't really think that there's any real news out. Going forward in here, what we're going to go and look forward to is the fact that we're going to go and harvest our crop. We know that we have got a big supply out there. Next up on the agenda will be the next USDA report. Next on the agenda will be the South American production numbers coming on forward to see how their weather goes. And then going forward from there, what are we going to go and plant next year? But will that break us out of our trading range? Later on this afternoon, we'll get a commitment of traders report coming on out. We still have the trade modestly to sizably net short the wheat and corn here in Chicago, and still now sizably net long the beans and the meal, and having gone from a net short to the long in the soybean oil. We'll also get a cattle and feed report coming on out. But in all practical purposes, we saw where the Chinese market was a little bit on the defensive overnight, so maybe that's what carried into our markets here early. They reportedly, once again, held an auction, and they're out there selling off their supplies. So once again, trading ranges is the opinion of myself. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Have a good weekend, everybody. Thank you.